Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 139 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers. We take the cool, the funny, the lives, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about opting out of the pre-printed bill, casino offers for drinks, why can't I buy one for my roommate, Cheers package and internet, pillows from Carnival, are they the same? And why can't I get the drink package on the first day out of Galveston?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser asked if it was possible to opt out of the huge printed itemized bill that you get at the end of every cruise. They thought it seemed like an entire waste of paper, printer, ink, staff, resources, because they had to print them, deliver them, this, that, and the other. Can they just maybe put it on the Hub app? John said he actually did a poll about this the other day, and it seems the majority actually liked the paper copy. Me? I think it's a waste. I mean, some people, you see a small book there, and some people you have one sheet of paper. Either way, they have to print all these. They have to waste all the paper, and they have to deliver them to every single cabin. So I think an opt-out, or like the hotels do, they can email it to you. Personally, I think that would be better. Carnival's all about, green and eco, and give people the opt-out option. Just me. I agree with this cruiser. Question two. This cruiser has the drinks on us everywhere, like Cheers, but it's a casino offer, and his wife does not. Yeah, we know who gambles. He wanted to add the drink package for her ahead of time so they can save the 10% like you do if you buy the Cheers package ahead of time. And they want to know if that was something they could do. John said he's afraid it's not possible to be added before the cruise. You have to do it on the ship after the team verifies the offer from the casino. So unfortunately, you can't book it ahead, but you can book it on board. So if you like the drink, just have to wait till you get on board to buy the package. Speaking of if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question three. This cruiser is curious why you can't order the Cheers package and internet and stuff, etc., on a payment plan like you can do for the cruise itself. Great idea. Those things are expensive. John says he doesn't know why, but he will add it to his report. And again, I think this is a great idea. Liz is on board with it too. So if you're buying a 7-day drink package, it could be $1,000, and the internet can get quite expensive as well. So I think it would be good for people to be able to spread it out just like you can for the payments on the cruise. I mean, sometimes depending on the deal you got, the internet might cost more than the cruise itself. So great idea. You might sell some more stuff, Carnival. All right, question four. This cruiser asked if the pillows that Carnival sells online are the actual pillows that you get on the boat, because they love those. John said, yes, they are. And I can tell you, we love those as well, and we have them at the house, and we actually did a backup, because if you go to carnivalhome, I believe it is, .com, it will be in the description below. You can order the pillows. Their shipping is ridiculous. So every time, we order them, we get 4, so we can only pay 1 shipping charge. But yes, they are the exact same pillows, and let me tell you, they are amazing. All right, last question. This cruiser asked why the drink package is not available the first day out of Galveston. John said it's due to Texas state laws. It's also another one, I believe it's Norfolk, that you can't use your Cheers package on the first day. Some sort of blue law or some law in that state that doesn't allow it. You can still buy drinks, just not use your drink package. I'm confused. Anyway, that's been episode 139 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.